doing? You jumping on the bed? When is the baby gonna come? Do you know when the baby's coming? Is the baby coming today or tomorrow?
Today.
Today?
Yeah.
Today or tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Tomorrow or Friday?
Friday.
Friday? Friday
Yeah.
or Saturday?
Friday.
Friday?
Yeah.
What about Saturday?
Friday.
Tomorrow?
Friday.
Friday? What's the baby's name? Do you know the baby's name? What's the baby's name? Can you tell me the baby's name? What's the baby's name? What's the baby's name? Huh?
No.
What's the baby's name?
No.
What's your name? Can you tell me your name?